In this session, let us understand the difference between cash flow statement and fund flow statement. See, fund flow statement is basically prepared to know what caused changes in financial position between two accounting periods. It analyzes what are the reasons for changes. So the focus is what and why of changes, whereas cash flow statement will ascertain what caused changes in cash and cash equivalents between two financial years, and it also analyzes the reasons for changes in cash and cash equivalents. The second difference is fund flow statement will show from where long-term funds are mobilized and where those long-term funds are utilized and whether entity has made any surplus or deficit. If it was surplus, then where that surplus was utilized, and if it was deficit, how the deficit was funded can be understood by having a look at fund flow statement. Whereas cash flow statement will show from which activities cash was generated and which activity has consumed the cash. Next, fund flow statement is an effective tool to identify whether there are any diversion of short-term funds for long-term purposes, whereas cash flow statement is an effective tool to understand from where this entity is generating cash and where this cash has been utilized. That is, how much has been generated from operations, financing activity, investment, and how much have been used vice versa.